Welcome to Circuit K. Today we have HP ProBook here with a very common challenge. Um, you know, okay, so this is the fault here. Plug-in charger, the power light keep blinking continuously. It's not coming up, no display on the screen. So let me zoom in so you can get to see the fault. Okay, so I checked through the board, so I found this Mosfet. This is a 3-leg Mosfet. You can see, let me zoom, it's physically bound. Okay, you can see the Mosfet is bound. Okay, I can't even get the label on the Mosfet because it's completely bound. So I don't even know the value of the Mosfet. But there's a way to solve this problem without replacing the Mosfet. You understand? So pay attention. Okay. All right. So without replacing this Mosfet, so I will do a simple trick here. Do a simple trick here. All right. All right. So Mosfet is out. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, firstly, I have to measure the part. So I'm trying to understand what caused it to bond. So let's pay attention on the meter. Setting up continuity mode. So my negative probes on the ground. So checking here, you can see there's no short here. This is the source. There's no short on the drain. There is no source. Then on the gate. All right, on the gate there is no source. There is no short. So well, so I don't really know what triggered that MOSFET to bond. But since I don't have the MOSFET, I will have to use a bypass method to solve this problem. You understand? Because before I change that MOSFET, I have to look for a similar scrap board or a very same scrap board to extract the components. Because right now I can't even tell the value of the components, not even the model number of the components. So I have to use this method to solve it by jumping this source to the drain. You understand? Okay, fine. So let me show you the voltages on the source first. So let me disconnect this my loop. All right. All right. Okay. All right. So I've disconnected my loop. So let's come with the meter again. So, so on the source we have 3.5 volts, and on the drain we have 0 volts, and the power switch, the LED signal is still blinking. So what I'm going to do now is to load the 3.5 volts from the source to the drain. All right. All right. So uh, all right. You can see we have picture. Everything is fine. So that's how you solve this problem without replacing the MOSFET. You understand? All right. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.